Let's explore all Asian countries together and learn their languages, nationalities, and flags in English. This is Afghanistan. People from Afghanistan are Afghan. They speak Pashto and Dari. This is Armenia. People from Armenia are Armenian. They speak Armenian. This is Azerbaijan. People from Azerbaijan are Azerbaijani. They speak Azerbaijani. This is Bahrain. People from Bahrain are Bahraini. They speak Arabic. This is Bangladesh. People from Bangladesh are Bangladeshi. They speak Bengali. This is Bhutan. People from Bhutan are Bhutanese. They speak Dzongkha. This is Brunei. People from Brunei are Bruneian. They speak Malay. This is China. People from China are Chinese. They speak Mandarin. This is Cyprus. People from Cyprus are Cypriot. They speak Greek and Turkish. This is Georgia. People from Georgia are Georgian. They speak Georgian. This is India. People from India are Indian. They speak Hindi and English. This is Indonesia. People from Indonesia are Indonesian. They speak Indonesian. This is Iran. People from Iran are Iranian. They speak Persian, Farsi. This is Iraq. People from Iraq are Iraqi. They speak Arabic and Kurdish. This is Israel. People from Israel are Israeli. They speak Hebrew and Arabic. This is Japan. People from Japan are Japanese. They speak Japanese. This is Jordan. People from Jordan are Jordanian. They speak Arabic. This is Kazakhstan. People from Kazakhstan are Kazakh. They speak Kazakh and Russian. This is Laos. People from Laos are Laotian. They speak Lao. This is Malaysia. People from Malaysia are Malaysian. They speak Malay. This is Maldives. People from Maldives are Maldivian. They speak Divehi. This is Myanmar. People from Myanmar are Burmese. They speak Burmese. This is Nepal. People from Nepal are Nepali. They speak Nepali. This is North Korea. People from North Korea are North Korean. They speak Korean. This is Pakistan. People from Pakistan are Pakistani. They speak Urdu and English. This is Palestine. People from Palestine are Palestinian. They speak Arabic. For more tips, subscribe our channel. This is Philippines. People from Philippines are Filipino. They speak Filipino and English. This is Qatar. People from Qatar are Qatari. They speak Arabic. This is Singapore. People from Singapore are Singaporean. They speak English, Malay, Mandarin, and Tamil. This is South Korea. People from South Korea are South Korean. They speak Korean. This is Syria. People from Syria are Syrian. They speak Arabic. This is Taiwan. People from Taiwan are Taiwanese. They speak Mandarin. This is Tajikistan. People from Tajikistan are Tajik. They speak Tajik. This is Thailand. People from Thailand are Thai. They speak Thai. This is Timor-Leste. People from Timor-Leste are Timorese. They speak Portuguese and Tetum. This is Turkey. People from Turkey are Turkish. They speak Turkish. This is Turkmenistan. People from Turkmenistan are Turkmen. They speak Turkmen. This is United Arab Emirates. People from United Arab Emirates are Emirati. They speak Arabic. This is Uzbekistan. People from Uzbekistan are Uzbek. They speak Uzbek. This is Vietnam. People from Vietnam are Vietnamese. They speak Vietnamese. This is Yemen. People from Yemen are Yemeni. They speak Arabic. For more tips, subscribe our channel.